On behalf of the National Secretariat for Canada in the UMAP Consortium, welcome to this short video series designed to guide new UMAP Canada members through the navigation of the USCO platform, which you will use for your UMAP Mobility Program activities. In this first video, we will address getting started with the UMAP Student Connection Online, or USCO platform. We will look at registering coordinator information, entering institution information, and locating coordinator and institution information for other UMAP member institutions. First, once you have received your institution's login credentials from the UMAP International Secretariat, you are ready to set up your institution's account on the USCO platform. Just an important note to bookmark the page usco.umap.org/incw, as this is the portal for institutions as opposed to students. Now we're at the landing page, where you can access all activities related to your institution's profile, Program A, B, and C offerings, and where you will eventually nominate and accept outbound and inbound student applications. The first thing that you must do is register coordinator information for your institution, and you can do that by either clicking Edit under Coordinator Information, or by selecting Coordinator Update from the Institution drop-down menu. You are required to enter contact information for at least 2 coordinators, and you may enter up to 6. These email addresses are where automatic updates from the UMAP International Secretariat will be sent. They also populate a searchable database of coordinators for active UMAP member institutions, facilitating communication between you and your mobility office counterparts abroad. Please ensure that you have filled in all required fields, then click Save at the bottom. Once the coordinator information has been confirmed by the UMAP International Secretariat, you can then enter your institution's information. From the landing page, you can either click the Edit button under Institution Information, or you can select Institution Information under the Institution drop-down menu. Here you will provide a brief introduction to your institution, some general information, a logo, and a few images of the campus. Please fill in all required fields, and then click Save. Once this has been submitted, if you would like to make any edits or updates to this information, you will have to contact the UMAP International Secretariat. Finally, if you would like to look at the institutional profiles of other active UMAP member institutions, or locate contact information for a coordinator at another institution, you can access this information through the Institution drop-down menu under Institution List or Coordinator List.